Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion reaction itong article ng Newswatch Philippines. Sinulat ni Elmore Santos, published June 13, 2025. Okay, ang title, Soto Blasts Impeachment Remand Court Defense Ruling. So, binatikos ni Senator-elect Soto ang magiging kasamahan niya sa 20th Congress. Ang mga senator judges naman, dinipinsahan nila ang kanilang boto, yung 18-5 ba. So, hindi nagustuhan ni Senator-elect Soto yung ibinalik yung impeachment complaint. So, mamaya, i-discuss natin ano yung with this mainit ng batuhan ng akusasyon, may pag-asa pa bang maging Senate President si Tito Soto sa 28th Congress? In a strongly worded rebuke, Senator-elect Tito Soto criticized senator judges for what he described as a flawed decision to remand the impeachment articles against Vice President Sara Duterte, urging them to revisit the rules to avoid future mistakes. Ito ang sabi nyo, the Senate Court's decision is flawed. Mali. A senator judge cannot file a motion. Soto, who will also sit as senator judge in the 20th Congress, told reporters in a text message on Friday, June 13. Ngayon, defense or prosecution counsels lang ang pwede. Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, who was a former RTC judge, told me that in the 11th Congress, senator judges can only ask questions or clarifications, he added. He was referring to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano's motion to return the articles of impeachment to the House of Representatives, an amended version of Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa's original motion to dismiss, which passed in an overwhelming 18-5 vote on Tuesday, June 10. Yun nga 18 sila. Okay lang sana kung simple majority, 13. Hindi overwhelming majority, 18. So, ibig sabihin, yung 89 hindi nag-iisip. Yan na nga, mamaya, pagdating ng 28th Congress, palagay ko alanganin na itong si Senator-elect Vicente Soto na magiging Senate President with this review. When asked how the mistake could be corrected now that the articles have been remanded, Soto said the senator judges should move forward, learn from the error, and consider replacing their legal advisors. Abogado naman si ano? Tanong, abogado ba si Tito Soto? Hindi, di ba? Si Escudero, abogado. Si Cayetano, abogado. Pia Cayetano na bumoto kasama sa 18, abogado. Sino pa bang abogado doon sa 18? Wala na akong matandaanan. Abogado. So, sinong mas magaling? Yung tatlong abogado o si Senator Soto? Ano bang background ni si Tito Soto? O, diba, artista? Be? Iwan. Sabi niya, iwan na lang nila yun sa basurahan ng kasaysayan. Huwag na lang ulitin at mag-review mga senator judges ng trabaho ng judge. At yung mga abogado nilang nakapaligod sa kanila ay palitan. Yun na nga, palitan mo si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na pupunta siya sa 20th Congress. Papalitan mo si Escudero, mag-crossover 20th Congress. Palitan mo si Pia Cayetano. No way. Parang minamaliit niya ang kakayahan ng tatlong lawyer, senator, judges. Ano pa? I suggest the present crop of senators, especially the newer ones, to backread our records and debates in the 11th Congress when the first impeachment was well discussed by Miriam and others. The reason for the robe and decorum, tanong, isa siya sa mga nag-convict kay late Chief Justice Corona. O ano ngayon? Tama ba yung kanyang boto na yung ano ito? Yung accusation nila kay late Chief Justice Corona, pinawalang sala siya ng anong korte? Sandigan Bayan. Oh, yun ba ang ipinagmamalaking records nila sa 11th Congress? Ano pa? Sabi niya, the spokesperson of the impeachment court, lawyer Reggie Tonggol, maintained the senator judges, like the justices of the have the power and authority to scrutinize the documents presented to them and bring any insufficiencies to the court's attention. Okay. So, walang impropriety doon, no? It is normal in a collegial judicial body na gano'n ang mangyari because one of the powers, inherent powers of any court is to look into the face of the document, the complaint itself, and see if there are defects in that document. O ito, spokesperson ng Senado ang nagsasalita. At dito, ni-raise ng isang senator judge na merong depekto. Maaring merong depekto at sabi ng korte, tingnan natin, hingin natin sa kanila para makomply nila kung ano man yung sinasabi mong depekto at kung makakomply ang mayon. Yun. The impeachment court set two conditions: that the House certify that the verified impeachment complaint did not violate the Constitution, and that the 20th Congress lawmakers are committed to proceeding with the trial to legal issues that have sparked debate. Okay? So, mainit na usapin ngayon itong nangyari sa impeachment ni VP Sara, lalo na yung aksyon ng Kamara na hindi nila tinanggap yung articles of impeachment. Pinagpapaliwanag nila ang impeachment court. Sabi ni Senator Escudero, you cannot defy us. You don't have the standing to defy. We are the court. Prosecutor lang kayo. So ito, magulo ang politika natin sa Pilipinas. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talaandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako sa tribo para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.